Hardened exit logic for version 8 to make sure the clean sweep is as aggressive as possible. Use safety layer version 8. Order cancellation. As soon as the VIX threshold is hit, the bot will now cancel all open orders immediately. Good. Index tracking. I've updated the bot to treat the VIX as a market index rather than a stock. Of course, it's a market index, which ensures it gets the most accurate and timely data for the risk off check. Bug fix, asset error. I also fixed a technical bug. Okay, good. It did a lot, actually. Is a new one that has started? Version 8. What version are we on right now? Version 8, latest. So it automatically started the back test. And it went pretty far, pretty quickly. But also dropped a lot very fast.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna take one and just analyze everything. One of these.
Yeah.
I have to find out what it does.
Yeah, this thing's taking a big hit here.
Yeah,
54% down. It's only
yeah,
October 23rd. What the hell is going on?
yeah. I think in October it was still going up. November's when it went down.
Yeah.
So that's
Well,
that's
some of these went down in October too. I think
yeah, I think
Oklo
the
is
biggest
down.
I think the
Yeah.
biggest hit was November, wasn't it? Oakland went down to
Yeah. From October 14th onward, this had a big drop.
yeah.
Yeah, it's October 23rd. So already had that, right?
But it didn't start in November, October, did it?
It went from October
Oh, but yeah,
14th,
if it starts from
January
October,
14th. Yeah.
that makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay. You're exactly right. The reason you didn't see any flat periods in previous runs is that the VIX filter is being skipped entirely. Okay, well, that makes sense. I dug into logs for version 4 and 6 and found the smoking gun. The bot was repeatedly reporting the error. VIX price unavailable, skipping VIX filter. Why the VIX checks failed in previous versions, data gap, the earlier versions, the bot was trying to track the VIX as a stock. That makes sense because the VIX is an index and doesn't trade like a normal stock. The data provider was returning empty results. A silent skip because the bot can get a price for VIX. It simply skipped the safety check. Okay.
Wow. That is freaking smart.
Yeah.
That's pretty damn impressive, man. That is
Yeah,
so true. We
definitely.
didn't verify that the VIX was actually it looked at as a stock and it didn't put it as an index. That is freaking pretty damn good.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Wow. That's impressive.
Yeah. Okay. And fixed in version 8. But version 8 is still getting hammered. It's down even more. There's still something else going on here. I think we got to just let these things finish so we could like fully analyze them.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah. Because right now it's doing like half-assed analysis because it's
Mhm.
only able to get the logs. It's not able to get the actual returns or trades or anything like that for these other ones. So the analysis is not complete, right? But if we let this thing run for a bit, let it finish, then we could actually analyze it. Because like, why did it drop so much here? It dropped to 45,000. That's a massive hit.
Yeah.
Yeah. We could also run this over a longer time period too. This is like the worst time period to run it over, you know? I kind of did that on purpose, right? Because I want to see how it does in bad times, right?
That's a good thing though.
Yeah. But if we run this over a longer time period, I think it would do pretty well. Okay. Okay. Run a back test over 1 year. Let's see what happens there. Now that we know we can run a bunch at a time. So I have the 1 year one going, and then we have the 3 month one going. Okay. These are going to take a bit of time to finish. Yeah, maybe we should end this one because this one sucks. Let's end that. And then we now have two version 8s running at different time periods. Okay, all right. So this is going to take a bit of time. It's already gotten pretty late. It's like I didn't realize it's like 11:20. This is fun to do. It's really fun to do these things. Yeah. Yeah, look at this. It opened freaking 41% down. What the hell?
Yeah.
Like there's something wrong here.
Yeah, there's something not good there.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I'll let these finish and then we can continue with this next week if you guys want to do it.
Okay. I'll work on it too. So I'll
Yeah, let me
definitely
share
more
this
on
to the marketplace so you guys can mess
Okay.
around with it. Right? Share strategy, public. It's called the poor man's covered call. So you can find
Okay.
that in the marketplace. So if you want to screw around with it, you can do that.
Yeah, I'll play with it.
Awesome. Cool. Yeah, this is really cool how like everyone could kind of work on it now too. If all of you guys can try this out and see what you can figure out, right? We could reconvene next week.
Yeah, that'd be good. I will
Yeah.
definitely start running some tests on it right now, actually.
Awesome. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see what you find.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, guys. So I think we'll probably end it right now. But this was fun. This is actually a fun exercise to do this. So
Yeah,
what did you
very
guys?
cool, guys.
Yeah.
Have a good night,
Very
everybody.
All right. Have a good
Yeah,
night,
have a good
guys.
one, you guys.
Bye.